Today we're trying to create real-time destruction in Unreal. First we need to select one or several objects, what we want to fracture, and after that destroy. And next we select the in-editor fracture mode and create new collection. After that we can subdivide our geometry into multiple pieces, what we will break into. We will do this using clusters. Adjust the numbers of clusters as you need. We also add noise on the internal faces to make the fragments look more organic and varied. Now you can see our fractured geometry. To activate dynamics, we use fields. You can find them in the engine content folder. If you don't see it, enable it with the checkbox, what I'll show you. Go to the content, edit resources, fields, fields nodes. We need bomb field and anchor field. With the bomb field, we trigger the destruction to make the pieces fly apart more quickly. Enable use bomb and reduce bomb duration a bit. But our wall collapses in a way what we don't want. That's why we use anchor field to keep the bottom parts from the moving. Select the desired area. Then go to our geometry selected and enable initialization fields and assign our anchor field. Now everything works as expected. To create debris, we first enable the Chaos Niagara plugin and create empty Niagara system. You can just follow my action. First of all, you can change scene target to GPU. In the emitter update model, add the spawn from chaos. Also add state emitter state. In a spawn chaos, select user destruction parameter. Then add initialization particle and apply chaos data. Also choose user destruction new data. Initial mesh orientation, add velocity. Always click fix issues if you need. In the particle update model, add particle state, gravity force, and collision. In the render field, add mesh render and choose any rocks what you have. This mesh will represent the broken fragments. Then drag this Niagara system into your scene. Don't forget select your geometry and enable notified bricks. Also, it's a good idea to increase data process frequency and max number of data. Looks fine. Once particles are working, we can move to the fluids. Since we have already enabled the Niagara Fluid plugin. And in Niagara system, go to Niagara Fluid tab, choose Gas 3D, Dust Explosion. To set up this quickly, disable the default particle source emitter, then copy over a rock particle setup, what we have already done. In the system, disable the mesh render and replace it with a sprite render. And you can also uncheck it. Set the sprite size between 5 and 10. And then we need to link our particle system and the gas simulation. Open the gas master, find the particle source, and remove the previous emitter name. Enter your emitter name. In my case, it was completely empty. Click compile and save. Finally, drag the system into your viewport. You have to increase the world space size to define the area where the gas will emit. Try not to make it too large. And you're done. You can find source files of this demo scene in the description.